ประเทศไทยเปิดประเทศมาสักพักหนึ่งแล้วนะคะเดี๋ยวเราไปพูดคุยนะคะแล้วก็ไปดูกันเกี่ยวกับการฟื้นตัวค่ะของผู้ประกอบการธุรกิจโรงแรม5 ดาวนะคะก็คือโรงแรม Renaissance Bangkok ราชประสงค์กับคุณโอปอล วรัญสุดาใน Business Story ค่ะ
The one-off luxury hotel at Ratchaprasong Bangkok downtown is Renaissance Bangkok Ratchaprasong Hotel. Five-star hotel feather modern amenities and upscale accommodations near some of the city's top business and cultural attraction.
What kind of group for the customer to stay here mostly?
Before COVID and after COVID is totally different. Before COVID, we have of course, the Chinese market,
right.
European market, and we have less of the Thai guests before COVID. But during the COVID, of course, because the new campaign of the เราเที่ยวด้วยกัน so we have the receive only the Thai traveler to this Thai traveler
stay here
because
overnight.
of the campaign of the เราเที่ยวด้วยกัน to promote.
Because it's shopping area
shopping
and many
area.
amazing area in
Correct.
here. And how about after the country is reopened again?
We see some positive sign in terms of the Asian market,
right?
Hong Kong, Malaysia, and some of the Chinese market, but not yet see the full positive yet. But also in the Thai group for the meeting in the Q3 and Q4. I mean for the MICE business.
Marriott International is an American multinational company that operates franchise and resort lodging, including hotel, residentials, and timeshare properties. It is headquartered in Maryland, USA, offering about 30 brands and more than 8,000 properties across 139 countries. Renaissance Hotels is a luxury hotel brand of Marriott International. It has more than 120 hotels located in almost 40 countries.
As you are the general manager of Renaissance Bangkok Ratchaprasong, can you tell me what is the best reason that the guests might book the Renaissance Bangkok Ratchaprasong?
Oh, it's very good question.
Yes.
I would say that many hotel in Bangkok is a very beautiful and fantastic. But if you ask me what is the best reason, I would say this hotel is very sexy brand and sexy property.
Oh, I see. Sexy, okay.
Of course, the prime location is a unique selling point, like I just mentioned. And then we really focusing on the local connecting with the people. We want our guests to be the explorer and to be inspired by our navigator team.
Very important.
Correct.
Because you are the center of Bangkok, it's very convenient. It's very easy to go anywhere that they like.